What we're looking at here is the German DAX index, and we're looking at a daily chart. I want to show you what it is I see when I look at this chart. Today we are here in mid-September, and over here we have the 1st of April. So what I can see is that during the past 5.5 months, the market has been trying to go higher, but we are in the exact same place as we were at the beginning of April. So when I look at the whole chart together without zooming in on each candlestick, I see that the chart is making this round formation. And it's not because the formations in the chart and the way the candlesticks themselves are looking is telling me anything. What I am looking at is what are the investors doing. So I look at the chart and I try to understand the psychology in the market. So what I can see here is that the market has been trading higher and has been rejected immediately. It has been trying to trade higher once again, and it got rejected immediately. It traded a bit lower and was rejected on the downside here, tried to get up once again and was rejected. So the buyers, they succeeded pushing the market higher and higher and higher, but then the buyers went out of the market at a much earlier state, here and here. So now we have lower highs, and we have a bottom formation down here. So we can see that when we reach this area, a lot of buyers are getting into the market and pushing the market up, but they succeed in getting the market higher up at a lower and lower place. So I can see that we are maybe running out of buyers. This is a formation that has been taking place for the past 5.5 months, which is half a year. So it is somehow a long period of time, and it is enough time to make the market change the opinion. If the market wants to change the opinion, it takes time. It's not something that happens overnight. That is why when we had the corona, we saw a rapid fall and the market flew up again, because the basic condition in the market hadn't changed. We had some change circumstances, but the opinion about the market was still bullish, and therefore the market continued up. This is not a guarantee that we will see the market fall, but if this area down here no longer manage to hold, so that means if this area down here runs out of buyers pushing the market higher, and if we do not see any new buyers get into the market, this could be a classic look of a market preparing to go down. We have to remember there are no guarantees here. The market can do whatever it wants, and if we start to have a predetermined opinion about what the market will do from here, we will most likely lose money. So look at the market and understand what the market is doing. But right now we see that buyers are struggling pushing the market higher and keeps going down to this area down here. So we will be looking out for this area. If we go down, I would assume that we would go down to this bottom area down here. So around 200 points, 400 points down to here. And if we see a real fall, then I assume we would go down to this area down here. So it is about 1,000 points in the DAX index. But anything can happen, and we could see this market go up. I wish you all good luck out there, and hope that this has given you a little bit of insight and motivation to learning to analyze the markets.